Yo, how's it going, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush, back at it again. Today we're on the second channel, as you can see. And today's video, I'm going to be talking about the topic of money. So a lot of people that want to start a YouTube channel are always very interested in finding out how YouTubers make money. And there's some people that still don't know exactly how the whole process works. So I figured today we'll give you kind of an introductory little view into how money is made on YouTube. If you own a channel, then these are different ways that you can do, or these are different things that you can do to generate some money and create income for yourself. So the number one way is through AdSense. So AdSense is a YouTube program that allows you to display ads against your videos, and in return you get to keep a percentage of whatever the advertisers pay. So the other percentage is actually shared with YouTube. So YouTube takes a chunk and you take a chunk. Usually the revenue split can be like 60-40, unless you have a deal with a big network or something, and then the terms can change. But that's the main way. So these ads are usually displayed as in pre-roll ads, so before the video starts, mid-roll, like in the video, or display where they're on the sides. So there's actually a bunch of different ways you can set that up, and it's in your YouTube Studio editor in the back end. So it's pretty much the main way people make money on YouTube is through the AdSense. Now, a lot of people don't like relying on AdSense because it can fluctuate quite a bit. So it can go up and down, the seasonality, stuff like that. So usually YouTubers are always trying to find a way to kind of stabilize their income. And some ways to do that is by selling products, or getting sponsorship deals. So if you sell a product like t-shirt, merchandise, or any type of product, it's a great way to kind of help stabilize your income a little bit, because it's a little more predictable than the ads that are run on the videos. So you'll find a lot of YouTubers like myself have merchandise that they sell to their fans or to their supporters of the channel. So whether it be t-shirts, keychains, air fresheners, I've seen people get very creative, and that's the key. The key is to get very creative, find stuff that really kind of fits within your niche, and try to be unique. And I've done some keychains for the Challenger before that did really well. They're side boot keychains, and we had them like metal. They're made out of metal, they're very good quality, and people really liked them. So I did that. That was my first ever kind of like product that I sold, and I had really good success with it because I'm in a niche market. At the time I was making mostly Challenger videos. I didn't have any other car that I was making videos with, and people really liked having that. So I got a lot of sales and really good feedback. Then I kind of stepped up, and that's really where I'm going today. I'm going to the print shop right now to pick up some shirts that I just recently designed and put out there, and people are also liking those quite a bit. And I decided to go with something kind of special, a little trendy, and most of all, something that can be enjoyed with within a large group of people. So it's not specific to one car. So it's something that can be enjoyed by a magnitude of people. Anybody that's into cars really will like these shirt designs and will probably wear them. So if you are interested in checking that out and seeing what designs I made, go into the link in the description. If you want to support me, pick one up. So that's another way to make some money, is through just making merch or making products and selling them on the channel, promoting them to your audience. You can make a little bit of profit there. And also, now getting into another way of making money, and it is through sponsorship deals. So if you work out a sponsorship deal with a company or with a brand, what they'll do is you'll promote their product, and in return you can charge them a fee for the video. That's kind of like a marketing fee for that product that you put out there for them. So I've done a few of those with smaller companies that wanted to work with me. Also a big company like Goodyear, also we had a deal together where I spoke about the tires. I got to use them and make a review out of them, stuff like that, and I was paid to do that. So there's all kinds of stuff that you can do. A lot of doors will open up as you continue to grow the channel and pick up momentum. At the end of the day, a lot of these companies, they're looking for a way to get their name out there. And today's day and age, it's the perfect way to attract customers is through influencers, because influencers usually have a very good connection with their audience and with the people that they work with and they create videos with. So when they promote something, it's usually kind of effective. It's a lot more effective than sending out an ad to a bunch of people that are not interested. So if I'm advertising tires on an automotive channel that has people that are into cars and that are looking for tires, looking for that product, it's going to be a lot more effective than them advertising it in maybe an a flyer or something where people might get their hands on it that don't necessarily care for that type of thing. So that's why, you know, marketing has really changed, and now you know, you can make a decent living, you know, being an influencer online. So that is kind of, I covered 3 of the things. And the last thing I wanted to mention is through affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing is pretty much you promote a product and then you get a commission every time it is sold. So I do this with Amazon affiliates. So what that means is anytime I use an Amazon product, I'll usually drop a link in the description where people can buy it if they are interested in doing what I'm doing in the video. Maybe I'm like, you know, painting something or installing some vinyl wrap. So I'll drop links to the products that I used, and every time somebody buys one of those products, I get a commission. So it'd be like 5, 6, 7% of, you know, their purchase is a commission that goes to me. So that can add up. It can be a nice little source of income. Usually it pays for my insurance on the cars and a little bit of gas money. So it's nice to have it. So what you try to do pretty much as a YouTuber or influencer is you try to kind of grab different streams of income and kind of combine them all together to have a nice income where you can kind of live comfortably. And that's really what I've been trying to grow over the past 2 years I've been doing this. You know, since I started really getting serious about YouTube, I started trying to explore different avenues and ways to generate, you know, money on the channel. And so far it's been pretty good. It's been working out great. You know, my fans are awesome. They support me a lot, and they really kind of like the content that I put out. And that's the key. You know, I put out good content. I try to as much as I can, and I think that's why I've had success with it. For me, it wasn't all about the money. Obviously I need money to live and stuff like that, but it's never been, you know, to the point where it's ruined my content. And that's a big thing. You know, some people get very greedy to the point that, you know, they're willing to go and make fake videos or willing to do clickbait every single day in order to get views and drive those numbers up, because it's all about the money. And when that happens, that's when your, you know, quality of the videos goes down. Your audience is no longer in tune with what you're doing, and it kind of ruins your channel. So you got to find that perfect balance where it's something you can continue to do, continue to crank out like good content, and at the same time be able to make it profitable enough to continue to do it. Because if you're not profitable enough, you can only do it for so long before you get over it, and you don't want to fall into that. So you're always trying to look for that balance. So hopefully this video gives you a little bit of insight into how, you know, us YouTubers make money. If you are thinking of starting a channel, that's my goal, is to kind of help you guys get some, you know, insider knowledge and maybe some tips and stuff. So I might do an update video on this and get more into detail, maybe show you some more numbers, but I do have to see that you guys are interested in seeing that. So if you are interested, make sure you drop a like on this video, drop a comment, tell me what kind of stuff you want to see, you know, from the back end of things, you know, maybe the behind the scenes that I have not shown yet. So yeah, that'll be for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's a little short one, but hope you guys enjoyed it and you gained some value out of it. So it's your boy Rush, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.